Welcome everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'd like to start today by welcoming a new channel member, Frankie Spell. Thanks for joining, Frankie. If you're interested in supporting the channel by becoming a member, there will be information at the end of the video. Okay, let's get started with this 1960 Volkswagen Beetle Dune Buggy, listed for $9,500 US in San Leandro, California. It's been driven 1,700 miles, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, 1960 Dune Buggy, air-cooled, twin carburetors, clean inside and out, runs amazing, it's registered. And next up we have this 1934 Morgan replica, listed for $12,000 US in Highlands, North Carolina. It's been driven 19,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, this three-wheeler was first owned by the chief designer of Hot Wheels at Mattel in LA and was the inspiration for the Dogfighter series of cars. New wiring, dual radiators, articulated front and rear hatches, period correct windscreen, electric reverse, drivetrain is from a Honda Silverwing, steering, suspension, and brakes are Ford components, runs well, paint has some scratches and chips, and some of the chrome is weathered. Alright, this one was also included in the past week's Weird Wednesday video, but it fits here too. Here we have a 1957 Chevrolet Bolero convertible kit car, listed for $27,000 US in Maryville, Tennessee. It has an automatic transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, 1957/1995 Chevrolet Bolero kit on a 1995 Camaro running gear, LT1 motor, automatic transmission, body is fiberglass, power convertible top, runs and drives great. Okay, here we have a Factory 5 Mark IV Shelby AC Cobra, listed for $44,000 US in Boise, Idaho. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, small block 306, Mark IV chassis, power steering, Willwood drilled and slotted brakes, brand new Holley brawler, fun fast driver, runs flawlessly, no trades, cash or check only. And here we have a 1986 Chevrolet Corvette with a Ferrari Testarossa body kit, listed for $29,995 US in Palmetto, Florida. It's driven 56,397 miles, has an automatic transmission, listed in excellent condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, Ferrari Testarossa replica on a 1986 Chevrolet Corvette chassis, 5.7 liter V8, professionally built. Alright, here we have a 1989 Austin Healey replica listed for $17,500 US in Summerfield, Florida. It's for driven 2,200 miles, has an automatic transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, Austin Healey replica, comes with a hardtop and soft top, Buick 3.8 V6, make an offer. Okay, here we have a 1955 MGTF listed for $11,500 US in Fresno, California. It's been driven 20,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1955 MG Roadster, clean title, never crashed, registered as a 1970 VW, runs and drives great, 4-speed transmission, top is in like new condition. Alright, here we have a 1962 Kellison GT40 listed for $25,000 US in Mission Viejo, California. I hope I'm pronouncing that properly. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description, new registration until 2027, custom built 1962 GT40 Kellison kit car with a 2100cc Volkswagen engine, adjustable suspension with 5 inches in the front and 7 inches in the rear, removable side windows for ventilation, brand new paint job. Alright, here we have a second Dune Buggy today. This one listed as a 1964 Dune Buggy for $13,500 US, listed in Cambridge, Maine. It is a manual transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, 1964 Volkswagen Buggy, no trades, $13,500 or best offer, all new brakes, 12-volt converted alternator system, 1625cc engine, dual Weber carbs, K&N air filters, electronic ignition, runs and drives fantastic. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1969 Bradley GT, listed for $8,500 US in Pasadena, Maryland. It's been driven 11,366 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1969 Bradley GT, factory built, great condition, missing plexiglass doors and rear window. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.